SQL Made Easy Webisode 3. In this video, we will learn about the order by clause in SQL. This clause is commonly used to arrange data in ascending or descending order, allowing us to control the presentation of data for better analysis and readability. Let's try to use order by with an example. Here we have the hospital database where we have patient ID, patient name, department, admission date, discharge date, and bill. Suppose I wish to order by this data via bill column in a descending order. Let's see how we can do this. So we will write the query in this way. We will write select star from hospital where we wish to retrieve all the columns from the hospital table. That is the reason we are mentioning star. After that, we will write order by bill DESC. DESC means descending. So we will just select the query and we will click on execute. As you can see, the data has been sorted in a descending order. You can see the highest bill is at the top and the lowest bill is at the bottom. Suppose I don't want to sort the data in a descending order. I wish to sort the data in an ascending order. So in order to achieve this, I just need to remove this descending. If you want, you can specify ASC, which is the code for ascending order. However, you can neglect it as well. So basically, if you don't specify ascending or descending, the query will automatically take it as ascending. So now I will just select the query and I will click on execute. As you can see, the data has been sorted in an ascending order. The lowest bill is at the top and the highest bill is at the bottom. Want to simplify data analytics with SQL? Follow, like and subscribe for easy tips and insights.